Hello everyone and welcome to Final IT. In this video we're going to go over how to connect to your Linux server to transfer files using a tool called WinSCP. Some videos that might be good to watch before this one are videos on setting up a CentOS 7 machine and one on finding its IP address. Both of those videos can be found in the description. To install WinSCP we're going to want to go to their website. So we'll just give that a quick Google. Generally it's going to be our first link. You'll also be able to find this link right here in the description. So we're going to scroll down. We're going to click the download WinSCP option here. We'll go ahead and open that installer. Accept the user account control. Then we'll accept the license agreement. A typical installation is fine for us. And I prefer the Commander interface, especially if you have plenty of screen space. If not, otherwise the Explorer one might be better. Commander lets you see both your local machine and your remote machine side by side. So we can uncheck open the getting starting page and launch WinSCP. Right. At this point you're going to be greeted by a screen that will accept information on what kind of machine you want to connect to. In our case we're going to be connecting to a Linux machine using the IP address of 192.168.0.132. We can go ahead and save a login with that if we want to. For example, Final IT is the login that we have for our Linux machine. You can go ahead and log into it directly here if you want, and it'll prompt you to fill in the password if we leave it blank here, or we can save it. And we'll be able to easily reconnect to this one later. So call this our Linux machine. It's saved. And now, anytime we want to connect to that machine, we can go to it, just hit login. First time you connect to the server, it's going to ask if you're okay with accepting a connection to this particular host, adding its key to the cache. Generally it's safe to hit yes as long as you're familiar with the machine that you're connecting to, and then it's going to prompt for the password. So we'll go ahead and enter the password for the login for the user for our Linux machine. Alright, and you'll see now that we're greeted by a directory structure. This one on the left here is our local machine, and this one on the right is the Linux machine, so we can go up to the top level directory and see all the files in here. It's also possible to drag and drop files and even edit them directly. We don't have permission to go in here as the user we connected at. So that's another good point. Sometimes it's good to connect as the root user instead of the local user in order to have full rights to change anything necessary. Right now we mostly just have rights here. Oh, that's not how you spell Nginx. But anyways, that just gives an example. When you create files or make changes to the structure, you'll probably want to hit refresh for them to appear. Oh, we never saved our file, that's why it didn't show up. Nginx test. We can save that. And now it is present here. So, and we'll see that it even shows down here the operations that we've done. We've created and saved a file at that location. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching everyone. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think.